Unraveling the Meaning of Weak Side. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we are going to delve into a common English phrase, weak side. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meaning, usage, and its place in everyday conversations. Let's dive in. Weak side can be understood both literally and figuratively. 1. Literal meaning refers to the side of an object, person, or thing that is less strong or less fortified than the other. For example, if someone has an injury on their left leg, their left side might be considered their weak side. 2. Figurative meaning. In more abstract terms, it can refer to a person's vulnerabilities or shortcomings. For instance, one might say, patience is her weak side, meaning she struggles with being patient. To better grasp its application, let's look at some sentences. 1. Literal. In basketball, always drive towards your opponent's weak side. 2. Figurative. He's brilliant at mathematics, but history is his weak side. These examples show how weak side can describe both physical and character-based attributes. It's also beneficial to know some synonyms for weak side. While the exact replacement might vary based on context, some common synonyms include shortcoming, Achilles heel, vulnerability, weakness. And there you have it. The phrase, weak side, can be both a literal descriptor and a figurative way of highlighting vulnerabilities or limitations. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and use. Keep practicing, and you'll master these nuances in no time.